What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Tesla stock and how we recently almost hit near all-time highs. And we're going to be talking about figuring out why exactly this is happening and be doing some technical and chart analysis on Tesla stock. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell. Also, leave some comments down in the comment section. Let me know as to why you think Tesla stock has been rising lately and they've simply been on fire. But for now, let's get this video started. So first things first, we're going to be taking a quick look at Tesla stock. As you can see right here, I have lots of lines drawn in. If you're not new to this channel, then you will know exactly what these lines mean. Right here, we have a strong support here. So right here, we have these two red lines, which I would consider strong buys and to be strong supports. And as we can see in the past, this $180 line has acted as a support because Tesla has bounced on this line multiple times and almost immediately recovered. And right here at the very top, we have a resistance line, which Tesla has not been able to surpass for some reason. I've drawn this resistance line at around 380, and as you can see, Tesla has bounced off this line and has not been able to pass it. Now, just because we have a resistance line right here does not mean that Tesla cannot break through resistance. It has happened many times where you see a company break through resistance, and this could possibly be one of those times. But as of now, we're going to zoom into the 1 hour charts. You could see that this resistance line, Tesla barely went over it. I think we hit 52-week highs, $383.61. So right now, Tesla is near the top of their 52-week highs. We're currently up 5.4% on the day. And as you can see, this line right here, Tesla went a little bit over the $380 line and immediately got rejected. And Tesla immediately got rejected by the resistance line. So does this mean that Tesla is going to be on a downfall? It absolutely does not mean that. On top of that, we have to take into consideration that Tesla is going to be reporting their quarterly earnings very soon. And on top of that, Tesla has made a promise to deliver, I think it was 360,000 vehicles this year. And according to Tesla, according to Elon Musk, it does look like they will deliver on that promise, but it's going to be very crucial. It's going to be very tight. And this last quarter and the remaining part of this year is going to play a big factor as to whether Tesla will be able to deliver 360,000 vehicles this year. And if Tesla even comes close to that, I could possibly see Tesla rising even further. And I have made multiple videos talking about these resistance lines, these support lines, and talking about how it's very possible that Tesla could break above this resistance line right here at $380. So now we're going to take a look at a few articles and talk and try to figure out why Tesla has been on fire. So the first article I found, let's just look at it real quick. Tesla stock is soaring. The question is why? So Tesla stock is soaring up more than $23, 6.5% on Monday, which is today, which is a fresh 52-week high for the electric vehicle. One automotive analyst told Barron's that Tesla's move was surprising, noting that U.S. federal EV tax credits are set to decline in 2020, and a Wall Street trader didn't have an extra insight when asked about Monday's move. So from that article, we pretty much got next to nothing, but we're going to look at a second article where it says Tesla stock zooms towards 2-year highs on China factory optimism. So Tesla Inc. shares rallied more than 6% on Monday, on track for their best close since September 2017, which is Tesla's all-time high, which is right here at $385 is Tesla's all-time high. We're going to look at that real quick. So right here to September 2018, as you can see right here, Tesla went up as high as $385, which is their all-time highs, and we are really close to beating that right now. We're slowly declining. We are now sitting at 377. As I mentioned, we are not going above that resistance line right now, but I definitely see it as a possibility as long as Tesla keeps crushing these numbers and bringing out good news. But let's go back to the article. So the stock was the best performer for Monday on NASDAQ and was among the top 10 most active. So analysts at Oppenheimer on Monday highlighted photos of Tesla vehicles produced in the under construction China factory and said that expectations for a relatively smooth ramp for the Shanghai facility are increasing. Tesla has learned important lessons from production ramps for its Model S S, Model X, and Model 3, and it is implementing best practices in new factory, the analyst said in a note. In the near term, it appears Tesla is tracking towards being able to achieve its target for delivering 360,000 vehicles for the year, they said. We note that Tesla's deliveries are highly concentrated towards the end of the quarter. Execution over the next 2 weeks will be critical for the fourth quarter 2019 results. Tesla is expected to report fourth quarter deliveries early January and fourth quarter results likely in February. So early January in 2020, we will see if Tesla will deliver what they promised, which is 360,000 vehicles being delivered in 1 year. And in February, most likely, we will see the fourth quarter results for 2019, and we all look forward to that. Honestly, I think it's going to be a great year for Tesla. A lot of people, there's a lot of hype around this company right now, mostly because the Tesla Cybertruck, and on top of that, they have the Tesla Cyber Quad, which I think will be a big hit. And I've mentioned this many times. I think Tesla will continue to evolve and go beyond just the truck, the car, and the quad. I'm hoping to see Tesla motorcycles, Tesla e-bikes. I've read some comments before where Elon Musk said he got in an accident or lost a family member as a child due to a motorcycle, and he will never make electric motorcycles. But putting that aside, I do think eventually one day Tesla will have a Tesla motorcycle, and I think that would be a huge hit, especially because it will be a lot cheaper than the cars. And the more people that want to see a Tesla motorcycle, the more likely I think they will be able to create one. And who knows, I know Elon Musk likes taking on challenges. One day he could create the safest motorcycle. But for now, let's just focus on the Model S, the Model X's, and the Model E's, and how they sell and how much they're able to sell in 2019. And next year, 2020, 2021, I think will be a huge year for Tesla, especially if they release that Cybertruck. There's still no date on that. But for now, that's it for Tesla. Let me know in the comment sections, how high do you think Tesla will go? I've made a couple videos where I talk about Tesla going to $400. There was even a billionaire who mentioned Tesla was going to go to $1,000 a share by 2020, which does seem a little too high. I think 400 is very realistic. And depending on how they crush these numbers, going above 400 is also a possibility. But always remember, guys, this channel is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Don't forget to do your own homework and never purchase a company just because I talked about it. But that's it for Tesla. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.